today?
Tilapia.
Guess where we are today? We at Limit. We at Limit Pub at Bechele Junction, and you are welcome to this episode on Business Hangout with Debi Naa, Expert Africa. Amazing way to make money in Africa. And today we are going to learn how to start a Banku and Tilapia business and how to prepare this delicious food here in Ghana. So let's get to the video. Hello, madam.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so today I want you to teach my audience how to prepare this beautiful tilapia here. The things we need, because if you're high, when we prepare it in our home, it doesn't taste like what you prepare here.
Okay. Tilapia. Okay, I'll speak tree.
Fine. That's good.
Uko fa tilapia no butter kasha.
Okay.
Uba. Udi nsuo. Ene nchine. Ene lemon.
Okay.
Udi agu nsuo. Na udi agu tilapia no kama. Edi bakwan. Edi moko. Ye wa green ene red pepper.
Oh, okay.
Eno ano no. Uto tilapia no. Top Banku no baako e 2 cedis.
Oh, okay.
Open package e tumi ayema o package ni e 30 cedis. Wow. Ani be muchu. Edi moko no, edi garlic.
What do you lemon?
Edi ahuhu tilapia. Eni nche.
Eche wo mu ana se
bi edi udi bebre tuma wo mu ye. E wayi.
Okay.
E wa de 2 plate mo. Eno ano no, udi be 2 fridge mo, ana wa de 2 fridge mo.
Oh, okay. Until we buy na wo na we dey akọ to fridge.
Me dey akọ to fridge mo.
Okay.
Ti me dey back one wa. Me start here. Me dey we no moko no, ye dey garlic, kakadro, kitin pepper. Na ye dey nyam no. Eno na ye spices na ye dey go to ajaso.
Oh, okay. Wow. Moko, garlic,
garlic, kete, any pepper.
Oh, okay. So this, and I'm the good one. I already found one. I said, me
to say ya. Me dey found. The anwa. And then me see.
I don't know the anwa mixing now.
Say na water. Say na. Enam no be yakono kama. Na wututu a entale wo we no so. Udi anwani fry we no na udi tutu a entale wo we no so eyi we no eyi tilapia no we na tilapia so na ya kono kama.
Oh, okay. Nti udi nchin so fry we no
dey be nchin nkan dey be nchin nkan.
Oh, okay. And I still the sana
de udi magi ba kakle e bibe
magi no so man taste more. Oh, okay.
No no asa.
Okay. Nti se sia udi to so a e di how many minutes? Oh,
let's take it.
Because I'm with you soon.
Yeah, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Finish.
Wow.
15 minutes. Because a journey does so. MB a baby but a beshi. But a journey is sure a baby in kama and she.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Until where's Abin? Obi ready to eat.
Fast.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so where the kade?
Banku.
Ti Banku no ho.
Banku.
Oh, okay. Design here for power.
Hello, expert. At this point, we are done with the preparation and we are going to investigate about this business. We want to know the capital involved in this business and the profit you stand to make starting this business. So if you have watched this video to this point, spare me 2 minutes of your time and let's complete the business aspect.
It is said, we say on starting business we are saying or share or better now they are starting.
Thank you.
So bigger than me.
And 2 person start here. Let's take it 1,000 Ghana.
1,000 Ghana.
Yeah.
We 1,000 Ghana. Met me at the way.
Over to me at the way.
When
any tilapia. The cano mukoni nyama no ekiti. Tilapia ni we ni anu pe na ehia. Unya we any tilapia no there. Mukoni nyama there small.
Oh, okay.
Mukono pra kita 20 Ghana uko marketer. Obetumi anya spices ni nyina. O start kakra.
Met me at way.
Ah,
No matter that day,
and
no
one
matter tilapia, no matter me go out of the 1,000 cities.
out of 1,000
They are
cities.
started.
And one.
Okay. So, ready to say how many days I will make me first one.
Depending be customers. Say a call fast 1 week.
When you was
When you was scanning back.
Okay, that means very lucrative. That will be able to me.
Oh, where to be starting? 1 week from Monday to Friday. Wait to me. And now was scanning back.
Okay. Oh, how is the market? The economy is saying.
Oh, after New Year, no, the marketing is about from Kakla.
About from. But I would tell you this because Banku is any tilapia. I think cocoa pepper.
Oh, mope.
Oh,
Mope.
Okay. But so we the best answer na dia sa.
Obesa.
There was a pass or share say na ye Banku ni the tilapia.
Hello experts, I hope you've enjoyed this video up to this point. Let me know which aspect of the video you enjoyed in the comment section. Is it the preparation or the business aspect? And if you haven't subscribed yet, you can subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up by liking this video and watch the next video YouTube is suggesting to you. See you in the next video. Bye.